John the Ripper is a popular password cracking tool. It is free and open source. It works on many operating systems. Security professionals use it for penetration testing. John the Ripper cracks passwords using various methods. It can guess common passwords using a dictionary attack. It can also try every combination of characters in a brute force attack. The tool is highly customizable. It supports different hashing algorithms. These are used to store passwords securely. Examples are MD5, SHA-1, and bcrypt. John the Ripper is popular due to its speed and flexibility. It can utilize the computer's GPU for faster cracking. Kali Linux is a penetration testing operating system. It comes pre-installed with John the Ripper. If you need to install it, you can use the apt package manager. Open a terminal window in Kali. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This updates the package lists. After updating, type sudo apt, install John, and press enter. The system will ask for confirmation. Type Y and press enter to install John the Ripper. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can verify the installation. Type John, version, and press enter. You should see the version information for John the Ripper. To use John the Ripper, you need a password file. This file contains the hashed passwords. A common format is the /etc/shadow file on Linux systems. A basic command is John, wordlist =path/wordlist/path/to/password/file. Replace /path/to/wordlist with the actual path. Replace /path/to/password/file with the path to the password file. This command performs a dictionary attack. It tries each word in the specified word list. John the Ripper also supports brute force attacks. Use the incremental option to perform a brute force attack. This will try all possible character combinations. This type of attack can take a long time. Imagine you have a list of hashed passwords from a website. You can use John the Ripper to try and crack them. First, save the hashes in a file. Then, use the John command with a word list or the incremental option. John the Ripper will try to crack the passwords. John the Ripper can also test password strength. Use it to crack your own passwords. This can help you create stronger passwords. Remember, use John the Ripper ethically. Only use it on systems you have permission to test.